What's good, what's poppin', what's going on, everyone? It's Ty here, back with another video. I hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving week. Mine was fantastic, it was fire. Today, we got some bad news for the Q. We got some really bad news for the Q, man. So, my valve body is not good. No bueno, no good. When I went on the freeway not too long ago, the car didn't want to shift right, started idling wrong, started acting weird, revved up all the way. Wouldn't even go past probably like, second gear a little bit. But then it kind of snapped out of it. I don't know, it was being really weird. But I didn't get no codes though. It was weird. Didn't get no codes. Got to work, turned it on when I got off of work. Started acting fine, but I'm not gonna risk it. So I got the 3.7 Q50. It's around like 96K miles right now. I'm not gonna sit here and wait until it completely goes out, because these are known to go out around like this time. So I'm gonna go to my boy. He gonna do a full, I think, trans swap, maybe. We gonna see. We gonna figure it out. I'm gonna go up there and see what's up. So I might do a whole VR30 swap transmission. I don't know. I might get a new valve body. I might get a used valve body. I might not get nothing. I don't know. We gonna see. We gonna figure it out. As you can see, it's at 96K. The time when the valve body start tripping, start going out. So we gonna see. It's more money, more problems. When you got a Q, you gotta just, well, not this one, not the 3.7. But when you got a Q, you just gotta do your daily maintenance, and this is the only big maintenance that you have to do. It's the Q right here. It's the homie shop for me. Finna get me right. Maybe a transmission swap, maybe this, maybe that, you never know. We'll see what's up. I just picked up my car from the homie. He just got done with my transmission swap. Yes, I got a VR30 transmission swap. Haven't tried it yet, so I'm excited. So, yeah, I'm drive it and see how it is. I wish I can do some pulls right now, but it's so much traffic right now. I can't even do nothing. I'm just at a standstill the whole time. But I kind of gassed it on the freeway a little bit, but I could feel the difference between a 3.7 transmission and a VR30 transmission. If it wasn't for my boy, VQ Doctor, for getting me right, bro, for the right price, and getting me back on the road within a few hours, bro, I really appreciate it. Honestly, shout out to VQ Doctor. So I'm gonna try to see if I can get some little clips. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I gotta see.
8 days later.
What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? So yeah, it's a week later since I did the whole VR30 swap. I guess valve body. I don't know. I don't know what you want to call it, but I got sick. I had work. It was just a big disaster. It's also getting cold. Man. So I couldn't really record no pulls or anything like that, or talk about the whole swap. If you didn't know, my valve body started tripping. It started taking a poop. With these 3.7s, the only thing you gotta watch out for is a valve body. The valve body is the most crucial thing to these cars. I had around 96K miles on it. Bought it at 78K. It's been driving perfect the whole entire time, no issues. I don't know what you have to get to transfer everything or like do the swap. So I'll probably put it up on the screen, the thing that you need. I might not, I don't know. Maybe look it up, go on Google. Everybody got a phone, so. Yeah, let me get out the car, stuff like that. This past couple weeks though, car has been driving perfect, fluent, better than what it was last time. So I think I'm gonna do a couple pulls today for you guys, because the VR30 transmission, you gotta do it. If you think about the swap, you gotta do it. You gotta do it. You know what's crazy? I'm trying to be more and more comfortable with the camera. So it's kind of awkward when I see people stare and they don't know what the hell is going on. And it's just, I don't know, it's weird, it's awkward. It's uncomfortable, but I'm trying every day. I'm gonna make this a routine every week or 2 or 3, try to be more consistent. So my bad, I had to burp. Pulls, let's do a couple pulls in it. Let's try, because I don't have a headband strap to film and everything, so I gotta see. I gotta figure it out. I'm gonna try to do a little pull right here. Let's see. Woohoo! Shit! That VR30 transmission. Oh my God. So yeah, this is the first pull or second pull with it. Shit! Oh my God! Do it. If you are hesitating to do the transmission swap, do it. Do it. I'm gonna do one more pull. Oh my God. Dang, that was crazy. I feel like it got more torque, and I don't know, it just feels different. It feels like a different animal. So I'm gonna do one more pull. Jesus, oh my God. Oh my God. The best purchase. I don't care what nobody says. The best purchase, VR30 swap. Do it now. If you're thinking about it, if you have a 3.7 and you're just like hesitating to do it, just do it. Don't do the valve body. I would suggest don't do the valve body, because you're paying $2,500, maybe $3K for a new valve body when you can just upgrade the transmission. And also it comes with the valve body too, a different one. So I would say do it, because that was crazy. I feel like the car got more power to it. Look at this beauty. No regrets with this car. 10 out of 10 out of 10 with the car. Buy it again. I will buy this again if I had to. Oh Lord.
3 hours later.
Yeah, what's good?
I was on his YouTube video.
Oh yeah. What's good? What's good, gang?
What's good, man? Has a fucking blower. Fuck
Supercharger. Supercharger. Alright, boys. Alright, that's it. We're getting out of here. Yeah, we'll be getting out of here right now. We can go eat.
I gotta record everything, my boy. Hell yeah.
Yeah, keep this shit.
Let me see this.
They just finished the wide one.
That shit is clean. It's clean.
Yeah, keep the screen. Look at his interior.
You see the best part, bro? You watch porno on that screen.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
You got the Tesla screen and shit. Oh, okay.
I swear, bro, he watches porn on that shit.
Oh, for real?
Got him. We fucking got him.
It's order right now.
I'm not lying to you, bro.
That is insane. It's clean though. Got the bags. Okay. Let me get your wheels, bro. Let me get your wheels, man. I need those.
Wash my car.
What happened? You need to wash your car?
Yeah, I need to wash it, bro. That shit's dirty. Yeah. Well, that way when I take no, I'll take it home, man. Yeah. But it's just to ride through downtown because the roads are shitty, bro.
Damn. Getting your shit ready?
What's up? How we do? All three, Torres and me on Insta. Getting me on a bad day, man. Bad day.
This shit's clean though.
It's the good side right now. Hold on, I'll switch it over.
Got you. Taking some flicks real quick, the behind the scenes.
Right there.
Rolling deep with the gang.
Good little vlog. Santa Monica here. Sunday night.
Nightly activity.
Some chill guy vibes, you feel?
Delinquent shit.
Type shit. What's good? I gotta say what's good, man.
Yo, what's good? Shout out to the vlog. Shout out to the
What's going on, YouTube?
I don't know if it's tight to behind, but
What's good, little gang?
what's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna find out if fishes have dicks.
What? Yeah. I'm telling you, they better have some funnel cake. That's what I need.
Oh, bro, don't even.
Bro, some funnel cake will slap.
Sound like strawberry?
Strawberry, yep. I'm gonna ask if they have some funnel cake.
Please a donation, anything. Like me.
I like it.
Let me know what I know.
That's that shit.
I watch different ones.
I guess.
Every day.
That's what I'm saying. We're just
You have like
God, bro, that true
one day
funnel cake?
BBC,
That's gas.
like one day it was like White House, one day.
You ran back to Chopa?
Hey, somebody go in there. Go
I'm good.
in there.
Huh?
Go in there. For the video. For the video.
You gonna pay, you gonna pay with it. You gonna pay, you gonna pay.
For the video, go.
I got 5 on it. That's all I got. Cause I low-key, I was being a generous man today. You know, I gave back to the community. So, somebody got me with 7.
It's good for the YouTube, bro.
I got 5. I'm telling you, I got 5. I got 5 on it.
This funnel cake is hard.
I'm not paying good.
We win, and you get a big prize. That's plus points for racing.
Hi, fuck. My 10,000 subscribers.
You win? I've been touching it.
I'm down.
Hey, so we're all shooting the vid tonight, right? In my room?
Yeah, fine.
Alright, making sure.
Hey, I got the lighter, dog.
Let me take up with it. Oh, here, fool. I'll give you the.
Bro, lift that shit up higher. Yeah, hold it at eye level.
Joe, you gonna take Apple Pay, bro?
Hey, they take Apple Pay.
I get this for the 5. How much is it?
Who's gonna do it?
Chat, send the Galaxy.
That's way too high, bro.
Send the
You're
Galaxy.
tall,
I'll
you're trying
jump
to
off the
talk.
bridge right now.
Eye level, eye level.
Oh, Guido's gonna do it.
Oh shit.
Oh, man.
Hey, wait. You won't wingman, so you won't walk over and be like, oh, he's doing this for you.
Hey, chat.
No bad.
Drop a galaxy if you want his shirt to come off.
Be like, my friend over there needs you guys to cheer him on.
Hey, go.
Be like, he needs Santa's help.
Hey, record for 1 million.
Hey, I'm just go with just do it. Let's go. Alright, so no pull-ups, no chin-ups. When I lift you up, your arms gotta be completely straight with your leg. Don't cross them or bend them. And don't move. Stand in the middle, go forward in the middle, go 3, 2, 1.
Players, here we go. Whoever hangs on the longest wins. Don't be the first to drop.
He's gonna fall.
I'm good.
15 15 seconds.
Come on, bro.
For the huzz.
Hold it, don't let go.
He's doing this for you.
30 seconds.
Ivan's gonna give you that slappy tonight, bro. Go for me.
Hey, fool, I'm trying to concentrate, my boy. Hey.
My bad. It's just my bad.
You won a small prize. Keep holding on to win a bigger prize.
Round two, 1 minute. 15 seconds for a medium prize. Don't let go.
You're already gonna hit a minute. 1 more minute.
1 minute.
Go.
1 more minute for the jumbo prize. Hold it.
Hold it.
That's my homie right there.
Hold it. Hold it. Those 30 seconds.
You won a medium prize. Don't let go now. Oh no.
Yeah, nice execution. I'm gonna give that an 8.
You let go. Try again to see if you can hold on longer.
Anybody
Ivan.
wants? You got a small prize, though.
You're not getting my ass tonight.
Hey, look, there you go. You got a Rams for that. I got a little Rams thing. I appreciate that.
What the?
Cause you know I had the bigger goals. Everybody was rocking with the kid, but I wouldn't go. And I be smoking the big backwood, don't pass no roach. I'm on duty to go and chase all these ribbons. With my crime, I'm finna get all these pensions. He saw me coming and his asshole was clenching. He started ducking, yeah, his whole ass was tripping. Swipe right on the